Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. Today we're going to be going over the new features in the February 2021 Cricut Design Space updates. There was one on the 1st and then another one on the 11th. We'll go through and see what they are and how they might impact you. The most noticeable one will be when you're here on the home screen of the desktop application. It now has this top videos playlists video ribbon. This includes playlists for if you're new to Cricut to start here, getting started with Design Space, and learning basic project techniques. These are videos you can watch right here in Design Space. You do have the YouTube interface if you want to save it to watch later or share it as well. So I'm here in projects and it's looking at all categories. If I go here to the drop down menu, I'm going to go down to Cricut Community and I'm going to click on that. And these are projects that were created by your fellow Cricut crafters that they have chosen to share. And there's a few different updates here. There are now avatars next to their name. This will either be their initials or if they've chosen one, a photo that's attached to their Cricut account. You can now also search for the profile of other Cricut community members to see what they have shared. When you find a design in the Cricut community that you like, but then you modify it, when you select Save As, you rename it. Later, if you want to find the original design or find other designs by the same community member, you can now go into My Projects, select the project that you saved the modified version of, and there is now this addition that says this design was inspired by the project of the community member. In this case, it was Abby Lawson's purse organization cosmetics bags with infusible ink. It also links you back to their original design. This makes it easier to find their other designs and to share with someone else where they can find the design. To show you the next update, we're going to go on to a canvas, and I'm just going to use stars to show you about how what used to be known as line type is now operations, and it's now a different drop-down menu. I have my maker selected, and it will give me these choices. If you have a different machine selected, it'll give you the choices based off of what that machine is able to do. On the Maker, these include a basic cut, a wavy cut, and a perforation cut. Under Draw, you have pen, foil with fine, medium, and bold. You have Score, Deboss, and Engrave. If you want to turn something into a print and cut, you'll click on the print and cut standard option. Then you'll select the color block up here. In this case, it's gray. You'll change the print type from color to pattern. There are a bunch of preloaded patterns, but you can also upload your own. I'm going to use this one. And then now that it's formatted as a print and cut, I can print it on my home printer and then my Cricut can cut around the outline of the star. The user interface for uploading has changed. This first section is the same. I'm going to go ahead and click on Upload Image. I'm going to find the image I'm looking for. In this case, it's Galaxy Watercolor. It's a large image, so it'll take a moment to load. It still shows me my preview, and then gives me the options for my image type of simple, moderately complex, and complex. I'm going to go ahead and select complex because that's what I normally do. For this video, I'm just going to click continue to go to the upload screen. If you want to see more details about how to upload and edit what you're uploading, go ahead and check out my other video regarding this new update and uploading. Previously, when you got to this screen, Cricut would automatically select one of the choices. I think it was print and cut. Now you have to make the selection of cut image or print and cut image before it will allow you to click upload. You still type in the name and any tags you want. You want to make sure you select the one that fits your needs. If it's a solid color design, you want to save it as a cut file to save space and help Design Space load it faster. If it's a multiple color image like my Galaxy watercolor one, you'll want to save it as a print then cut. The pre-programmed materials are now translated, alphabetized, and searchable in all supported languages. In both updates, they did a bunch of bug fixes. If you want to see the details, I've included links to both of the release notes in the description of this video. You probably need to click to expand the description so you can find those. I hope it was helpful seeing all the new features in the February 2021 Cricut Design Space updates. Let me know in the comments which features you are most excited for, and if you have any questions, be sure to check out my other videos as well. Until next time, bye.